going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort. And China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it is all planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books Crypto Teacher and the new Road Order book. Remember, those books are mandatory because they show you how the world really works. And in the times that we're in right now, we definitely need to know how the world works. And then plus, much love to those who purchased the 3 Kids books, It's Time to Re-Educate. And then also those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love, keep it coming. And remember, the new Road Order cryptos are in my Patreon. Plus, I keep you up to date with the new Road Order events. And then plus, much love to those who are shopping at both stores. Keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. And right now, the market is dumping. Like I stated, guys, we're going to have a roller coaster ride this week. Now, is Ethereum going to fall below 3,000? Yes, it will. And Bitcoin is going to keep falling also. Why? Because we know the Fed has to build this 4th industrial revolution. But we know Ethereum is constantly being burned. We know Bitcoin only has about 10% more before it's fully mined. So we know they're going to rise right back up as the 4th industrial revolution gets to completion. But right now, we're going to fall. Remember, the stock market has failed plenty of times. But we see the new Road Order stocks keep rising. And the same thing is going to happen with crypto. Now, don't forget to pay attention to the actual indicators. You have volume, you have Tether, and you have USDC. Plus, guys, we have the Fed. They meet on the 14th and the 15th, and you know I'm going to bring that to you. And guys, every single meeting is going to be so important. The other ones were very important. But going forward, guys, we have to know every move they make because it's going to swing the market. And all we keep hearing from the media is that they're going to taper bond purchases faster and then plus raise interest rates. But we got to hear it from the horse's mouth. Do not pay attention to the media. We have to actually watch and see what the Fed does. And then, of course, guys, we have Grayscale. We know they're buying and selling billions at a time. They're going to swing the crypto market. Now, getting over into a little crypto news. We have Robinhood as partner with Chainalysis ahead of crypto wallet launch. And we know what this is for. They want to keep an eye on everything you're actually doing. Now, we have ZK Rollups getting the limelight, but guys, we know this is about scalability and lowering transaction costs when it comes to Ethereum. Now, we have payments firm Nuvei launches crypto-friendly debit card with Visa. And guys, we know this is the easiest way to get the masses over to crypto. It's something they're familiar with, and that's the debit card, and then transition them over to the phone, and then transition them over to the cloud. We know it's coming. Now we have Gala Games and C2 Ventures start a $100 million fund to invest in blockchain gaming. And we know gaming is going to be one of those tools that's going to move the millennials and generation over into the metaverse, because not only are they going to be able to play these games, but they're going to be able to earn a living. And remember, the crypto teacher told you. Now we have ETC Group launches Tezos ETP on Deutsche Börse Extra. And remember, guys, the casino just keeps getting bigger, but that will dump and pump the price of Tezos. Now we have SK Square to demand metaverse presence for portfolio companies. And guys, that should just let you know how big this metaverse is going to be. Web 3.0 and the metaverse is definitely the future. Now we have Wells Fargo and HSBC to settle Forex transactions using blockchain. And guys, we know how big this is. You're talking about trillions of dollars going to be settled on blockchain. We know they've been testing this behind the curtain, but now it's time. We know the fourth industrial revolution is not coming. It is here. And this should definitely know. This is big news. It's called real use cases. This is big as you can get. And then lastly, guys, we have the metaverse infrastructure company Infinite World to go public in a $700 million SPAC merger. And guys, we see the New World Order moving fast forward. Get your friends and family educated because the robots, algorithms, and drones are about to replace them in the current economy, and they're about to go inside the metaverse. Because we know when it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. But guys, all I have for you, don't forget about the books, Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book, plus the 3 kids books, It's Time to Re-Educate. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, BitChute, Binance, do not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Crypto Teacher Stock Channel, Crypto Teacher Stock. So you have your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming, where everybody's sitting at home, got their own stocks to see where the biotech stocks, and while everybody's at home wishing they were still getting that free money. What are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and you have a wonderful day. The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids books. You know, I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends, so therefore we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the 4th Industrial Revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save the village. Part 2. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save New York from COVID-33. Part 3. King Joshua and Grandma Tam goes to China.
It's mandatory to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.